Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today I'm going to show you how to make scones with oil. Easy recipe. The scones are so yummy, just like butter scones. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, in a large bowl, I have sifted all-purpose flour, and to that I'm gonna add sugar and baking powder, then give that a quick little mix. Now create a well in the middle, then we're gonna add milk. I'm using cold milk, guys. We're gonna also add in sunflower oil, whisk the eggs and add it to the mixture. Then we're gonna use a wooden spoon to moisten the flour. Mix in vanilla extract, then knead till soft dough is formed. Next, we're gonna turn the dough out onto a lightly floured work surface and knead a few times. Gently mix the dough. When mixing scones, don't overdo it, guys. Mix until the dough just comes together. Onto a floured surface, roll out the dough and cut it into round shapes. Place the cut scones on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Rework and re-roll the leftover dough, but the resulting scones won't turn out quite as fluffy. Once all the dough has been cut, we're gonna cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 15 minutes before we bake them. It's been 15 minutes and our scones are ready to be baked. The scones baked for 25 minutes. I just pulled them out of the oven. It smells so good in here, guys. Allow them to cool, then pair them with freshly homemade jam. Tip of today: in baking, you can generally substitute half the amount of oil as the butter or margarine called for. However, there is one caveat. Knead the dough as little as possible to produce light and tender baked goods made with oil. These scones are tender, moist, and delicious. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you do, please let us know how it turned out for you. Don't forget to subscribe and to give this video a like and leave a comment down below. Until next time, guys, bye. Honey for my heart.